School tuck shops look a little different than they did in the 80s and 90s.
I usually buy 2 cream buns and a custard tart.
These days, fresh, healthy options are readily available, and 6 lunches across Queensland canteens have been given top marks. They're vying for Recipe of the Year.
Really high quality, really creative, innovative recipes, but also really down-to-earth recipes that kids actually enjoy eating.
Ferny Grove's tuck shop convener admits students take time to try something new, but the gluten-free vegan Nourish Bowl is gaining popularity.
We've seen their palates change and they're much more willing to try different things.
I think it's a really nice change.
Angelique Scapagnato hides 6 vegetables in a buttered chicken, cooked fresh. Southport students can't get enough.
Apparently it goes all the way through the school and everyone's like, oh, it's butter chicken day, yum yum, so they like it.
Recipes must be nutritious, tasty, practical for a canteen kitchen and affordable. Ferny Grove's Nourish Bowl and the Southport buttered chicken are up against Highfield State School's Mexican mince cob, 2 dishes from Bayview in Thornlands, Mexican beef and rice and a rainbow chicken stir-fry, and a super easy burrito at Currajong State in Townsville. Only 3% of Queensland children are getting the recommended servings of vegetables each day. These recipes are giving parents peace of mind that a tuck shop day can meet those needs. The prize is a flashy countertop grill.
We'd be keen to get that grill up in our cafe.
The winner is announced next week. Jacqueline Robson, 7 News.